here. Patrick, over here. Patrick, over here, Patrick. Over here, Patrick. Right in front.
The rumors are true. Today, I can finally confirm that I am IPSY's next icon box curator.
Patrick, why did you decide to do this?
Well, I know what the people want, and I'm gonna give it to them. Glam, glam, and just more glam. Damn it.
What's in the box, Patrick? What can people expect?
Well, I don't like being in a box, but in this box, it's everything you need to prep, set, and slay to achieve a flawless full piece, my lady.
Patrick, who did you do this for? The people want to know. Tell us.
Well, I did it for everybody. The maximalist, even the minimalist. Hello. And for everyone in between.
Patrick, over here.
And for the people that just get it.
Patrick, over here. Patrick.
Well, I'm afraid that's all the questions that I can take for today. Go to IPSY.com to sign up for my icon box before it sells out. And keep checking IPSY's social media for the juiciest product leaks. Thank you.
Patrick, right here, Patrick.